Hi everyone, I'm doing this video for someone having the same problem which I had. You went in your car, a 2008 C300 Mercedes, and you put your key on and it don't start. And electricity starts going on and off, the radio starts going on and off fast, and you don't know what to do. You go open the hood fast, as everyone will do, and you will hear this one, the main fuse, clicking, tick, 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 and directly you will think that this is wrong, where in reality it's not. You get your OBD reader and you hook it here, and it's not connecting with the car. So what is the problem? Mercedes C300 have electric wires here, and they are very important for the car to function. And when there is water here build up, it blocks the electricity from here. And when you test your fuse in the front and in the back, you will find out that half of them don't have electricity. When you dry the water here, the car will run back normally and all electricity are normal. Now, where the water can come inside this compartment here, there is two ways. If you have a sunroof, there is a hole here which drains the water, and there is also here a place where the water to build up, and we can see here that we have leak of water, which means we need to clean this buildup here and we will be fine. I hope this video will help someone having the same problem without having the headache going online and researching. Have a good one, everyone.